Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Tatjana from Garnet Beauty and Art, and in today's video we're going to do a beautiful purple coaster. So we're going to use 4 different colors, and I will be pouring my resin in small cups where I'm normally mixing my colors. And for the colors we'll be using purple, black, mica powder and white color. I'm going to start with my purple color. It's nice and solid color, so I'm just adding about 5 to 6 drops. Depend what pigment you're using and how solid it is. It will depend how many drops you need. Again, depend what design would you like to create. If you'd like more brighter color, you need to add more drops. If you want more see-through, you're just adding less drops. For the second one, it will be a black pigment. Again, I will be using 2 different pigments because I added this one 4 drops, and when I mix it, as you can see, it's still a bit see-through. So I decided to take my other pigment and just added a couple of more drops in my black, so it's more solid color. As this one, you can see it's really see-through. And for the third color, we are going to, you can see now it's like a nice solid color, and I'm happy with this one. And for the third color, we are going to use our mica powder, and you just need it a little bit of, it's normally like a 5 to 10 grams. And with the mica powder, again, make sure you mix it really well and start mixing really slowly, otherwise mica powder can go just everywhere. And I really like this color because it's not just white, it's silver white, so it's really shimmery white color. And when it's mixed with the resin, it changes the color straight away. And for the last one, we're going to use a white pigment. My pigment, it's like a paste, it's quite heavy, so I'm adding just a little, like a half drop. Again, mix really well. After I mix my colors, I normally go over all colors and remix them again so they all properly mixed. And white, you can see it's really nice and solid color for the white. And when we're done with this one, we are just going to start with the pouring our color, and I'm starting with my purple color and just going on the side of the coaster and just going few times over just to add a bit of more color. And then we're taking our black color, just going over with my torch gun, and you just adding a black color in the middle, and again I'm just cover over a few times, and I'm just finishing with my purple color, again just adding it on the side of the coaster, not over the black. And after this we are using our mica white, and I will do it in a small lines until the color is finished. And again we're going over the black and purple color, and to finish we're using our white color. I do use torch gun in between and just go over with the white colors. And to finish we're going to use our clear resin, just pouring in the middle of our design, and it's really help for the colors to start spreading. I will be going now over with a heat gun and torch, and then just adding some crushed glass in the middle of our coaster, and that's it. Then we're done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like my video. Continue watching till the end so you can see my demolding and final result. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next videos as well, and bye for now. everyone and welcome back, and it's time to demold our beautiful mold we done yesterday, and let's have a look what we've got in there. So this is the first side and it's beautiful purpley colors, and let's have a look what we've got in there. You ready? Let's see. That's a really beautiful and nice coaster. Let's have a look for these sides. They are really pretty. Look in the middle. And the sides. Really beautiful. And it looks like it's double glass inside. So it's really cool. I'm quite pleased with this one. This side looks really beautiful as well. And this one, really settled and simple, but at the same time looking really cool. And I've got just some left resin. I've done a few pieces as well. This is just a bookmark, and again this is just from the leftover of the resin, but I think it's looking quite cool as well. Here we go. I hope you like, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribe. Stay tuned and keep watching my other videos. Have a look at my playlist, and there is a lot of beautiful designs in there as well. Again, thank you, and I hope you like it. Please leave me some comments. What do you think about this? And see you soon. Bye now.